This is critical to the backbone of a business. Let me ask you something. What if I told you there's a free AI tool out there that can single-handedly design your entire marketing funnel and actually get you leads? No, I'm not kidding. I'm talking about a complete funnel here, people. Landing page, email sequence, lead magnet, even a traffic strategy, all crafted by ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard that right. The AI everyone's talking about, I put it to the test and built a whole marketing machine around it. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, step by step. No BS, no fluff, just pure actionable advice that you can use to build your own high-converting funnel, even if you're starting from scratch. Because honestly, why make things harder on yourself? With AI tools becoming more and more powerful, there's no reason you can't leverage them to build a successful online business. So let's dive in and see how ChatGPT can become your new secret weapon. Let's break down what a marketing funnel is. It's the journey turning strangers into loyal customers. Wide at the top, narrowing as you qualify leads. Start with a lead magnet for their email. This could be an ebook, checklist, or video. Nurture through email. Build trust. Introduce your product as the solution. Building a funnel can seem daunting. ChatGPT helped me build a complete funnel. Lead magnet, landing page, email sequence, traffic strategy. Let's walk through how I did it. Alright, so here's the secret sauce. The exact prompt I fed into ChatGPT that made this whole thing possible. I literally typed in, act like a top digital marketer. Create a full marketing funnel for a beginner-friendly digital product that helps people make money online. That's it. I hit enter and within seconds, ChatGPT spat out a complete funnel structure. It was actually kind of mind-blowing. It gave me a super relevant lead magnet idea, a free PDF titled 5 Passive Income Ideas Using AI in 2025. I know, right? It even came up with the title, but it didn't stop there. It then gave me compelling landing page copy, a full 5-day email sequence, even a CTA strategy and a social media promo plan. It was like having a personal digital marketing consultant at my fingertips, 24/7, and it didn't cost me a single dime. And the best part, the output was tailored specifically to my niche and target audience. It wasn't just some generic cookie-cutter template. It felt personalized and effective. So if you're ready to unlock the power of ChatGPT for your own business, make sure to stick around because I'm about to break down each element of the funnel it created. Now let's talk about the lead magnet. Remember that 5 passive income ideas using AI in 2025 PDF I mentioned? Well, ChatGPT didn't just suggest it, it practically wrote the entire thing for me. I'm talking about the introduction, the bullet points outlining each passive income idea, even design suggestions for Canva. All I had to do was give it some basic information about my target audience and the types of passive income streams I wanted to highlight. It handled the rest, and honestly, the content was surprisingly good. It wasn't just some fluff piece filled with generic advice. It was actually insightful, valuable, and well-written. Within an hour, I had a beautifully designed ebook ready to go, and I didn't have to hire a copywriter or designer. Talk about a massive time and money saver. This is the power of using AI to streamline your workflow. And trust me, once you experience this level of efficiency, there's no going back. Building a high-converting landing page, no coding required. With the lead magnet ready to go, it was time to build a landing page where people could download it. Now, I'm no web developer, but thankfully, ChatGPT had my back. It provided me with an entire landing page script, including a killer headline, a persuasive subheadline, and a clear call to action. We're talking ready to start earning while you sleep, as the headline. And for the subheadline, grab your free guide and discover how AI tools can help you make money online. And of course, the CTA button text was simple and direct. Send me the free guide. To actually build the page, I used Systeme.io, which has a super intuitive drag and drop editor. The best part, it's completely free. Within minutes, I had a professional looking landing page up and running, ready to start collecting leads. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills or expensive software to achieve this. The AI-powered email sequence that nurtures leads on autopilot. Okay, so we've got the lead magnet, the landing page. Now it's time to nurture those leads with a well-crafted email sequence. And guess what? ChatGPT had that covered too. It generated a 5-day email sequence for me. Each email strategically designed to build trust, provide value, and ultimately lead to a sale. Day 1 was a simple welcome email with a link to download the free PDF. Day 2 highlighted one of the key benefits of passive income. Day 3 shared a compelling success story to provide social proof. Day 4 introduced my paid offer as a solution to their problems. And finally, Day 5 created a sense of urgency with a limited time offer. And let me tell you, these weren't your typical boring, robotic emails. ChatGPT infused each email with attention-grabbing hooks, emotional language, and clear calls to action. It was like having a professional copywriter on my team, except it was 1,000,000 times cheaper. Driving free traffic to my funnel. Thanks, ChatGPT. Now, here's the thing about marketing funnels. They're useless if you don't have any traffic flowing through them. You need to get people into your funnel, right? So I went back to my trusty AI assistant and asked, how do I get leads into this funnel for free? And guess what? ChatGPT delivered once again. It outlined a simple yet effective traffic strategy that didn't involve spending a dime on ads. It suggested creating 3 YouTube shorts per week, repurposing key points from the lead magnet into carousels for Instagram, sharing the PDF in relevant Facebook groups, and creating an eye-catching Pinterest pin with a link back to my landing page. The focus was on organic reach and leveraging the power of social media to get my free offer in front of as many people as possible. And the best part is, these are all strategies that anyone can implement, regardless of their budget or technical skills. So I had my funnel built, my traffic strategy in place. It was time to launch this thing and see if it actually worked. I followed ChatGPT's advice to a T. I filmed and uploaded 2 reels and 2 shorts on YouTube, created a killer Pinterest pin, and even joined a few relevant Facebook groups where I shared my free PDF. And the results? Well, they weren't earth-shattering, but I was blown away. Within 5 days of launching, I had generated 34 leads. Not bad, right? Especially considering I had spent $0 on ads. But here's the kicker. I also made my first few sales. Thanks to the affiliate links I had strategically placed in my email sequence, I earned $59 in affiliate commissions. Now I know what you're thinking. $59 isn't going to make me rich. And you're right, but it was proof that this system worked. Now, no marketing campaign is perfect, right? There's always room for improvement. So let's talk about what worked really well and what I'd do differently next time. First off, the lead magnet was a home run. It converted like crazy, and people were genuinely excited to get their hands on it. The email sequence also performed really well with open rates that were significantly higher than my usual averages. I think this was due to the compelling subject lines and engaging copy that ChatGPT had generated. However, there are a few things I'd tweak for next time. First, I'd add a video to my landing page. Studies have shown that videos can significantly increase conversion rates, and I think it would make the page even more engaging. I'd also warm up my leads a bit longer before pitching my paid offer. 5 days felt a little rushed, and I think building more trust and rapport would lead to even more sales. Finally, I'd incorporate more case studies and visuals throughout the funnel. People love seeing real-life examples and data, and it makes your marketing messages that much more persuasive. So, there you have it, guys. A complete marketing funnel built and launched with the help of ChatGPT. And the best part, it didn't cost me a single penny. Now, I know what you're thinking. This AI stuff is great, but can it really replace a human marketer? And honestly, I don't think so, at least not entirely. But what it can do is act as an incredibly powerful assistant, helping you overcome writer's block, generate creative ideas, and streamline your workflow. If you're struggling with what to post on social media, how to write compelling copy, or even just where to start with your marketing, let ChatGPT be your guide. It's like having a marketing consultant available 24/7, and the possibilities are truly endless. So what are you waiting for? It's time to embrace the power of AI and take your business to the next level. Look, guys, building a business is hard work. You're probably grinding every day trying to make your dreams a reality. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be so complicated? With tools like ChatGPT at your disposal, you can automate tasks, generate creative ideas, and ultimately free up more time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or spend thousands of dollars to get started. ChatGPT is free, easy to use, and can be integrated into your business today. So if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and take your marketing to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm constantly testing out new AI tools and strategies, and I can't wait to share them with you.